Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about, as in my previous lectures I have told up to the slab, that is in the first lecture I have taught about the levels, then grids, then after that the columns, then the foundations, then the beams, then the slabs, and in my today's video I'll be telling about how to construct the staircases. So as you can see here, this is the ground level of the floor plan here, and I will now construct the staircase. And for that, what you need to do is you simply need to go to the architecture part, and as in the structure part stairs are not present, so simply go to the architecture part, and there as you can see the stairs are present. So simply you need to select in this run, and in this part straight stairs. Then after that, now as you can see the base level is at the ground level. I have already selected the ground level, so I have by default the base level is being selected to the ground level. Even I can change here, but I will not change it because I will initially start the staircase from the ground level, then it will go to the max first floor. Okay, it's fine. Then base offset I have kept as 0 and top offset is also kept as 0. And what is the desired stair height? That is the height between the ground level and the first floor is 3500. It's okay. Now number of stairs is 19, so even I can increase or decrease depending upon that. The height of the riser will change. If I will change the staircase height to 20, then the riser will decrease, so 175. Or if I will keep it as 18, the riser will increase, so it's so let me keep the riser as 18. Now click on apply. The actual riser height of stair is greater than the maximum height, because maximum is 190 but here 194. Okay, so or I can do one thing is I can keep the number of staircases as 20, it will go to 175. Now it's okay. I have now applied it because I have kept the maximum as 190, but our height of the riser will be 175 and trade will be 250. So everything is okay now. So let me construct. Here you need to click on turn left, then let me construct here staircase. So let me construct here from this level. As you can see here, I have created how many risers till now? 11 are created. So let me create here. So already I have created 11. After creating 11 or 10 is created, so after creating the 10, let me do one thing is let me create from here. So this is the staircase I have created, that is equal on both landing as well as equal on both. So 10 staircase on both I have created it. So as it's not at the as it's totally at the center of the room, so let me shift it to somewhere else. Let me move it. Let me move this staircase to this level. After creating after moving this staircase to this level, now let me click it in. Okay, now let me check whether the staircase is okay or not in the 3D view. Let me check in the 3D view. So as you can see here in the 3D view, the staircase, it looks like in this manner. Let me go to the realistic view. Yeah, as you can see here, the staircase looks in this fashion. So this is how the staircase looks like. Now I need to go again to the ground level. After that I need to select the staircase. After selecting the staircase, I need to copy it, then I need to again paste it, and I will paste the staircase to the assigned levels. That is, I need to paste it to the first floor, second floor and third floor, and click OK. After that, let me check the staircase in the 3D level. Now the staircase is being constructed in the 3D level. So as you can see here, this how it looks like. So I need to delete this staircase. So this is the ground floor. I have copied to the first floor and second floor. Third floor is not required. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the staircase. After creating the staircase, our next step is to provide the terrace. This one is the terrace. Here I have to provide the mumty. It's actually a kind of room in order to safeguard the staircase, and even the openings are not present here. So now I will provide the openings. So let me provide the openings. So let me go to the ground floor. Now I have to provide the openings in each of the roofs. So in order to provide that opening, I will go to the architecture part, and there, as you can see here, the shaft opening is present here. So select this how the opening looks like in the figure. Now I'll click on shaft opening. Now I will select from here up to here, then from the here then to here, then now click on yes. This is how the soft opening look like. Now let me go to the 3D view. This one is created. Each base constant is ground level and its top constant is up to the third floor, and base offset as create it as 0. Now click on apply. Top offset keep it as 150. Now apply it. Now as you can see here, it will even cut the roof. Now click on apply. Now everything is done. So as you can see, now this is how the roof it looks like. This is how the opening will look like, and this is how the staircases will look like. As you can see here, this is the view of the staircase. Now I need to create the mumty. In order to create the mumty, what I will do is I will select this 4 roof. After selecting this 4 roof, I will create this row of this 4 up to the mumty level. After creating that, I will now create one roof over them. So in order to create a roof over them, what I will do is I will click on roof, that is roof by footprint. Now I'll create, you have created the roof on the lowest level, would you like to move it to the third floor? I will create the roof not in the third floor, but I will create the roof in the multi level. Yes. After that, let me keep the offset of 200 mm on each. After that, let me go to the third floor. Let me go to the third floor. After that, I will select the boundary, offset of 200. After that, I will click it here and I will click on extend. As you can see here, now everything is now extended. Now click on yes. Now let me go to the 3D view and check for the roof, but the roof is not showing. So what you need to do is you simply go to the view, need to go to the visibility and graphics. Sometimes it will not show even the staircases, so for that you need to go to the visibility graphics and you need to click in the staircases if the staircases does not show. Similarly my roof is not showing, so I need to click in the roof and I'll click on apply and I'll click OK. After that my roof will show. This is how the building it looks like. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the full building along with the multi. So hope it's clear to all of you. If there is any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.